Vincent, something's got to be done about those geese. Pops is locked in his room crying.
Yeah, we've been getting complaints. They're highly territorial, warlike birds. Luckily, I got a couple of guys who'll be taking care of the problem.
Dude, awesome.
Who is it? A couple of guys named Mordecai and Rigby.
What? Maybe you don't understand, Vincent. These geese, they're terrifying.
Terrifying. I don't want to hear it. Do it or you're fired.
Just so you know, it's
Man, you
down
always say that. You're a pop, Vincent.
What was
All
that?
right, dude. You ready? Here goes nothing. Ready?
Ready!
Hey, quit it. Ugh, smells like rotten egg.
Wait, Mordecai!
We need your help, Skips.
Rotten egg smell. I got just the thing. First, drive to the ocean.
No, we need your help with these crazy geese.
Oh, no. You're on your own with those things.
Man, but what are we supposed to do?
Well, geese and ducks are natural enemies. You guys know any ducks?
Ducks.
Hello?
Hey, it's Mordecai.
Mordecai! Yo, mother baby duck! Mordecai's calling! Mordo, how's it hanging? What's the word, Mordo? Good to hear from you, dude.
Hey, guys. We've got a problem with...
What's up, Mordecai?
A problem with geese.
Oh, man! Geese are the worst! They be sick! You guys are awful! You didn't use geese repellent or blankets, did you?
No.
Good, because that just makes them angrier. Yeah, you're not going to be a complete chump to use those. You want us to come and deal with them, man?
No, that's okay. We can do it ourselves. Could you just tell us what we gotta do?
You should use lasers!
Lasers?
Yeah, man, those losers hate lasers. Lasers! Lasers! China lasers! I want your lasers!
Yeah, thanks. Later, guys.
Why did you ask them for help?
Come on. They have better things to do.
You guys are still here.
I can't believe it. They've taken over the entire lake.
Looks like they've marked their territory.
Oh, sick.
Let's do this. And now. Dude, it's working.
Yeah! Huh. Hey, wonder if
No, we are in the process of terraforming this lake for our own kind. We have removed all non-goose life forms and fertilized the soil. This lake is ours, Duck. If you want it, you have to come and take it.
that can be arranged.
Transformation TV, which is really doing you a favor. Scramble now!
Is there any way we can help?
It's too dangerous.
We're not gonna let you die.
Yeah, just tell us what to do.
Very well. Did you see what started our transformation?
Fist pumping?
Yes. You must fist pump. Like this? No, really fist pump. Fist pump with everything that you've got. Maybe dial it back a minute.
Weird.